Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I am drawing a colorful macaw parrot with letter P. Let's draw and paint together. First, draw letter P. Let's turn it to a parrot now. The macaw parrot bird is a strikingly colorful and large parrot native to the tropical rainforest. Parrots love to fly high above the trees. Macaw parrots eat fruits, nuts, seeds. They use their strong beak to crack open hard nuts and seeds. These birds like to live with their families. You can often see them flying together in pairs or small groups. Have you seen any macaw parrot bird? If yes, then please comment below. Parrot birds are very smart and can even learn to talk or imitate sounds. These birds build nests in tree holes. These birds are a true rainforest treasure with its bright feathers, loud calls, and playful behavior. Please draw and paint with me. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. watching the video. See you on next video.